Welcome back students to SEO's module. So in this video of ours, we'll be learning all about the introduction of search engine optimization. Before proceeding ahead and learning anything about technical part of the search engine optimization, it is very necessary and important for us to understand what is SEO and why SEO is important for any company or brand. If I talk about the definition of SEO, so it's technically defined as a process to take a website to Google's page number 1. So what is the use of making a page come down to Google page number 1 or staying on Google page number 1? I am pretty sure you all must be using Google as a search engine. Suppose I also want to use or I want to search something on Google. Suppose I want to buy a shoes online. So simply, as you can see the layout in front of me, I might be searching a keyword like buy shoes online. When I'm searching a keyword like buy shoes online, a list of results would be coming in front of me. The first result, which is highlighted with a yellow mark, you can see it is written as ads, that is advertisements. The advertisements are called as inorganic part of Google. Inorganic means that the money is being introduced by the brands to take the results to come down to Google page number 1. And after ads, whatever is coming in front of us, those are called as the organic part of the result. The entire interface which is coming in front of us, it is known as SERP, that is Search Engine Result Page. Google is a search engine and we have tried to find certain result, that is I'm trying to buy a shoes. So I want to have a result something based on shoes. So the result is coming on a page. So the page which is containing the organic and inorganic part of the result based on the keywords or based on the statement that we have asked to Google, that is called as SERP. And the results which are coming are called as the pages. So as you can see on the result, that is almost like 141 crore pages which is coming in front of me. And I'm pretty sure many of you might not be even going to page number 2, or rarely anyone would be going to page number 3. Until under circumstances we might even go to probably to page number 3 or 4. But if I talk about the majority of the circumstances, we hardly even go to page number 2. Now if I am a brand and I try to make my presence in front of you all, I need to be there on Google page number 1. Now if I talk about the latest survey which was being even done by Google, people even hardly go to the last result of page number 1. We try to find our solution in the top few of the pages which is coming in front of me. And if we are having the result or satisfactory result in front of us, then we would go with 1 or 2 of the result. If not, then we'll again change the search query. Whenever we change the search query, we again get a new set of result in front of us. And probably the sequence of the pages or the brand name which is coming, they may also change. So the importance of SEO is that if I need to make my visibility or if I need to make my brand present in front of my targeted audience, then probably I need to be there on Google page number 1. If I am not present there, then even if I'm present on internet, even if I'm having a business or something that I'm providing a solution of any problem that you're looking for, and if I'm not present on page number 1, probably you were not even aware that I exist and I might not get a customer. So in order to have a customer coming down to my page and my business running and making the visibility, I need to be there on page number 1. So I'm pretty sure you have got a glimpse of idea how SEO helps any brand on digital interface. Now let's look at the same thing on a live interface. Now as you can see, this is the Google, and suppose I'll try to search the same thing, like I want to buy shoes online. Suppose I'm writing buy shoes online on Google, then I'm hitting the enter key, then a sequence of results should be coming in front of me. The advertisements may or may not come, it is depending upon the advertiser and many times the time at which the advertiser is trying to run the ads. it may be possible that the time when I'm searching or when I'm trying to look at this keyword, at that point of time Google or the brand may not be running that advertisement, so the ads may not come in front of me. So coming of an advertisement depends upon a lot of factor, but the organic results always remains the same. Now as you can see on the screen in front of me, this is called as the keyword, and this entire interface which is coming in front of me is called as an SERP, that is search engine result page, and this is the advertisement, that is as it is denoted by ADS, ads. And just after that I'm having a set of results which is coming in front of me. Now in SEO we would be dealing, or we would be covering all these modules only which is in front of us, that is the organic part. The organic means the natural part. Whenever any website without the power of money is coming to Google's page number 1, that is always done with the help of SEO. So we would be working with SEO, that is the organic part of the SERP. Now as you can see in front of me, the organic results of any page is fixed. On an average it is 10 in numbers. So let's just have a look. So as we can see, the first one is Myntra, Amazon, Coos. So Coos is the 4th. Let's scroll down. Flipkart is the 5th, and Shopclose 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. And just moment after the 10th result, I can see again there is an advertisement of Bata and the page ended. So in a single page there is always 10 organic results. The number of advertisement may vary on the advertiser as well as on the Google, right? So in SEO, that is the organic part of the website, we would be learning, or we would be practicing all those ways to take a website, or to take a web page, more technically if I need to say, to take a web page to Google's page number 1, right? And the pages which always comes down to page number 1 of Google, they are always based on the keywords. What is a keyword? The sequence of the words that you are seeing out here on the Google search interface is called as a keyword. More about this and other parts of the SEO we would be learning in next part of our video. Thank you.